Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the sound of my voice, I am not feeling well. I do have a cold, but we're gonna get through this and get stuffing. So today we are stuffing my child tax credit of $550. So let's get right into it. So we're going to start with my sinking funds, not the cash envelopes, only because I know I messed up in the denominations for the cash envelope. So we might have to do some bill swap in order to make this right. So let's start with the sinking funds. So this is my new monthly expense tracker. I will be filming another video doing my monthly expense tomorrow, Saturday, hopefully. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so the sinking funds, we're going to start with Debt Snowball. I'm a little shaky, guys. So Debt Snowball gets $100. So we're gonna do 100. And I'm gonna add here 10, 15. So payment minus 100. So my balance should be down to $2,851.49, and that's only until they add the monthly fee for my credit card, which sucks because you go and put a certain amount and you think the balance goes down. Nope. Once that fee kicks in, then it's like a whole different amount. Anyways, Etsy shop, this is actually any rollover money from my cash envelopes, so we do not have that this week. Julian gets $20. So Julian now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 100, 5, 7. So 207. It's 207. Mason also gets $20. So we're gonna do a 20. So Mason now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 97, 98, 99, 200, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 207. Oh God, that looks horrible. 207. Oh no, wait a minute. What did I do? Let's erase this real quick. Debt Snowball. See, I'm not feeling well. Oh God. What the? Whatever. So this balance is 100. And then Mason gets 207. Okay. Milo, my puppy, gets $20. So Milo now has 25. Okay. Student loan gets $20. So we're gonna do a 20. So student loan now has 20, 40, 60, $70. School supplies gets $2. So school supplies now has $1, 2, 3, $4. And if you guys haven't noticed, I bought this acrylic organizer for my money. I was so excited to finally get it because I ordered it so many times and it always got lost. So I am so excited. I'm so happy I finally got it. All right, so birthday gets $24. My niece's birthday is next week, so I don't know what I'm getting her yet. 2, 3, 4. So birthdays now has 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, $25. Getaway gets $10. We're gonna do a 10. So Getaway now has $15. Okay. Emergency gets $20. So Emergency now has 25. Oh God. Okay. Family Savings gets $20 and it doesn't have anything. So Family Savings now has 20. Dream Home gets $25. Doesn't have anything. We're doing a 20 and a 5. So now we have $25. Subscriptions gets $3. 1, 2, 3. So subscriptions now has 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, $33. And then Christmas, I am not stuffing this envelope. I'm actually doing the 22 weeks. Well, actually the 22 envelope challenge, which I have a box for that I make myself. And this is the box. It's super tiny. It fits in the palm of your hand. It usually comes, this is one of my buyers. It usually comes with an envelope tracker on the opposite side of the lid, and then whatever name you want there. This is Samantha's, so this is what it looks like. And then here says Christmas Savings Challenge. Super cute. The envelopes are small. They're not meant to be big for this tiny box. So I went ahead and took out whatever I had in my Christmas envelope, plus we're adding $20. So we're gonna do a 20. So Christmas has 20, 30, 35, 40. And we're gonna go ahead and stuff these envelopes. So we could do a 20. For my next video, I'll have the envelope tracker glued to this lid. It's just I'm not feeling well to go through all that. So 20, see, fold it twice, and you just put it in like that. And then also we have now another 20, so we could do another 20. That's if we find one. Okay, here it goes. Gonna fold that. Put that in there. So, matter of fact, let me put it back there. So this is what it looks like. Super cute. It's tiny. So we're gonna close that. So Christmas has 40. And then Etsy roll over nothing. Now we're going to do our cash envelope. Put this to the side. All right, so church gets $10. Well, let me see, hold on. Yeah, so church gets $10. I'm gonna do a 10. Okay, laundry gets $10. We're gonna do 2 5s. Home essentials gets $25, doing a 20, and the last 5. Okay, and let's see, self-care gets $60. So this is where I messed up on the denomination. So I'm gonna go ahead and, let me see, break this 100. So I know Mason's envelope is full and it has a lot of change, so I'm gonna go ahead and break that. So 20, 40, 60, 80, and then 80, 182, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. That should be 100, and then putting this 100 in here. Oops. Okay. So now, let's see. I'm gonna put these singles down here. 5, 1s, and 20s. All right, so now we can do this. So self-care gets $60. We're going to do a 50, a 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So self-care now has, hold on, 40, 60, 80, 82. Okay, I screwed up somewhere. Let me see. Oh God, I can't even think straight. Let me just double check Mason. Make sure I didn't add anything extra in there. So Mason should have 207. Let me see. 100, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200. Yep, there goes the 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then this $7. So I did it wrong. Okay. Okay, so let's put this back. So let's try that again. So self-care gets 60, that's 50. We're gonna just do a 10, that's 60. And this is for, I'm supposed to get my kids' haircut and my husband, but they've been sick, so we haven't been able to, but I will keep this money in there, so once they get better, we'll go for haircuts. And then spending gets $91. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, and then the rest of this. 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, $91. Okay. And then for hubby, he already took out 50 before he left to work this morning. So we are done. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I will be filming the monthly expense video tomorrow, Saturday, hopefully, and then posting it the same day. So that's about it. If you guys are interested in these Christmas boxes, they're only $15. Mine, as you can see, doesn't have this, but it's fine, it's for me. And then so yeah, so go check that out. They're $15, and I think I only have about 2 or 3 left, so make sure you grab one. All right guys, thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.